Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a navigation UX with GA4 events tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up a navigation UX with GA4 events tracking, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Ensure that you are using Google Analytics 4. Navigate to the property where you intend to implement the tracking. In the left sidebar, select Events under the Configure section. Next, click on the Create Event button to set up a new event for tracking navigation. Name your event descriptively, such as navigation_click. In the Parameters section, specify the conditions under. Use the event parameters to define the elements you want to track, such as button clicks or menu select. Make sure to include relevant parameters like link_classes or link_text to capture additional context. Once you've defined your event, click Save to finalize it. Next, you'll need to implement the event tracking on your website. Open your website's code editor and locate the add the event tracking code to each clickable navigation item. Utilize the tag.js or gtm.js tracking scripts, depending on your implementation. For tag.js, the code snippet should look like this: tag, event, navigation_click, link_text, your link text. Make sure to replace your link text with the actual text of the link being clicked. If you are using Google Tag Manager, create a new tag for your navigation event. Select the tag type as Google Analytics GA4 event. Enter the corresponding event name, set a trigger to fire the tag on the appropriate clicks, ensuring to track only the navigation elements. After saving the tag, preview it to confirm it's firing correctly on your live site. Once everything is set up, navigate through your website to test the event tracking. Return to Google Analytics and go to the real-time reports to monitor the events being recorded. After verifying, you can look into setting up reports to analyze user navigation behavior. Utilize the insights gained to enhance your navigation UX further. Make adjustments as needed based on the data collected. This will help improve the overall user experience on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.